All Night Long, How to Make Love to a Man Over 50 by Barbara Keesling, Ph.D., is a groundbreaking book that addresses a topic of significant importance yet often overlooked in mainstream discussions about sexuality, maintaining a passionate and fulfilling sex life as men age. Published in the early 2000s, this book stands out for its candid exploration of the physical and emotional aspects of sexuality for men in their later years and the partners who love them. Overview. Dr. Barbara Keesling, a noted sex therapist and educator, uses her extensive experience and expertise to offer readers practical advice, exercises, and strategies designed to enhance the sexual experience for older men and their partners. The book is rooted in the understanding that while the physical aspect of sexuality may change with age, the desire for intimacy, pleasure, and connection remains strong or even grows deeper. Themes and content. Keesling's work is comprehensive, covering a wide range of topics from the physiological changes that men over 50 might experience to ways of enhancing emotional intimacy and physical pleasure. She addresses common concerns and challenges, including erectile dysfunction, decreased libido, and the impact of health issues on sexuality, offering solutions that are both practical and accessible. The book emphasizes communication between partners as a cornerstone of a fulfilling sexual relationship, encouraging openness and exploration. Style and approach. All Night Long is written with sensitivity and a deep understanding of the subject matter. Keesling's approach is straightforward and respectful, making the book accessible to a wide audience. Her use of case studies and personal anecdotes adds a personal touch to the scientific and psychological information, making it easier for readers to relate to and understand the concepts discussed. Impact and reception. The book has been praised for its positive contribution to the field of sexual health and wellness, particularly in how it addresses the sexuality of older adults, a topic often ignored or treated with discomfort in society. Readers have appreciated the book's honest and open discussion, practical advice, and the dignity with which Keesling treats the subject. It has served as a valuable resource for both individuals and couples looking to maintain or enhance their sexual relationship as they age. Expanding on the review of All Night Long, How to Make Love to a Man Over 50 by Barbara Keesling, Ph.D., it's essential to delve deeper into the nuances that make this book a significant contribution to the discourse on sexuality and aging. Psychological insights and emotional depth. One of the book's strengths lies in its psychological insights. Keesling doesn't just focus on the physical aspects of making love, but also delves into the emotional and psychological dimensions of intimacy. She understands that sexual health is inextricably linked to emotional well-being, particularly as men age. Her strategies are designed not only to improve sexual function, but also to enhance emotional connections between partners, recognizing that these aspects are deeply intertwined. Addressing societal taboos. Keesling's book bravely tackles societal taboos surrounding aging and sexuality. By openly discussing these topics, All Night Long challenges the stereotype that aging inevitably leads to a decline in sexual desire and capability. Keesling's work is a call to society to reevaluate its perceptions of aging, particularly concerning male sexuality, and to recognize the full, vibrant sexual lives that many older adults continue to enjoy. Practical exercises and techniques. The book is replete with practical exercises and techniques designed to be accessible to a broad audience, whether it's advice on physical conditioning, communication exercises, or tips for adapting sexual practices to accommodate physical changes. Keesling provides clear, easy-to-follow instructions. These practical aspects of the book are grounded in scientific research and Keesling's clinical experience, lending credibility and efficacy to her recommendations. Empowerment and reassurance. Keesling's empathetic writing style offers both empowerment and reassurance to her readers. Men over 50 and their partners may find solace in her affirmation that sexual expression can continue to be a source of joy and fulfillment, regardless of age. The book empowers readers by providing them with the knowledge and tools to explore their sexuality confidently and creatively. Impact on relationships. Beyond the individual, All Night Long has the potential to positively impact relationships. By encouraging open communication about desires, fears, and boundaries, Keesling fosters a deeper understanding and connection between partners. Her emphasis on mutual satisfaction and emotional intimacy can help couples navigate the challenges of aging together, reinforcing the bond that sexual intimacy can bring to a relationship. Further exploring All Night Long How to Make Love to a Man Over 50 by Barbara Keesling, Ph.D., offers an opportunity to appreciate the depth and breadth of its impact on the dialogue surrounding mature sexuality. Integration of medical and holistic approaches. Kiesling's background in sex therapy and education allows her to seamlessly integrate medical knowledge with holistic approaches to sexual wellness. This blend is particularly significant for the book's audience, as it acknowledges the complex interplay between physical health, emotional well-being, and sexual satisfaction. By suggesting lifestyle changes, physical exercises, and mindfulness practices alongside medical advice, Keesling provides a comprehensive roadmap that respects the multifaceted nature of sexual health. The role of communication. A recurring theme in Kiesling's book is the paramount importance of communication in sustaining a healthy sexual relationship. This focus on communication extends beyond just talking about sex. It encompasses expressing desires, fears, and vulnerabilities. Keesling offers practical advice for initiating these conversations and maintaining an open dialogue, which can strengthen the bond between partners and enhance their sexual intimacy. Updating sexual education for adults all night long serves as a crucial update to sexual education for the over 50 demographic, a group often neglected in conversations about sexual health and exploration. Keesling fills this gap by providing age-specific sexual education that addresses the needs and concerns of older adults. Her work is a reminder that sexual exploration and education do not have an expiration date, and in fact, can be deeply enriching experiences at any stage of life. Cultural significance. The book's cultural significance cannot be overstated. In a society where youth is often idealized and aging is seen as a decline, Keesling challenges stereotypes and offers a counter-narrative that celebrates the potential for growth, pleasure, and intimacy in later life. By doing so, she contributes to a broader cultural shift towards recognizing and respecting the sexuality of older adults. Critiques and conversations. While widely praised, All Night Long also invites critiques and further conversations. Some readers may seek more in-depth exploration of specific topics, while others might desire even greater inclusivity in discussions of sexuality. However, the very presence of these critiques underscores the book's success in sparking an ongoing dialogue about mature sexuality. Legacy and future directions. The legacy of All Night Long is seen in its continued relevance and the growing body of literature it has inspired. The book has paved the way for more open discussions about aging and sexuality, encouraging further research, writing, and conversation in this vital area of human health and happiness. Future works will undoubtedly build upon Kiesling's foundation, exploring new dimensions of sexual wellness in older age and continuing to challenge societal perceptions of aging. In conclusion, All Night Long by Barbara Keesling, Ph.D., stands as a seminal work that not only addresses the practical aspects of loving and living as men age, but also challenges and changes the discourse around sexuality and aging. Its comprehensive approach, combining the physiological, emotional, and relational aspects of sexuality, offers readers a guide to navigating the complexities of love and sex in their later years, making it a valuable and enduring contribution to the field of sexual health and wellness.